before I get started with today's video, I have a quick update. Some of you may know that I have a gaming channel which I haven't uploaded to in an eternity. So that channel will now be getting repurposed into a shorts channel. Over there I'll be doing short 1-minute overlooks and reviews of products I will come across in such places where I can't record a proper video. There will also be updates on videos I'm working on and my experiences and updates with the product, and just some short news flashes of what's going on in the tech world. So go ahead and check it out, link in the description below. Hey guys, Alien here from AI's Tech Reviews, and this is the Aorus 17G from Gigabyte, and it's a beast. So after a few days of testing, this is my review, deciding whether or not it's worth the £2,000 Gigabyte are asking for it. The laptop has a full metal body and feels great to hold from any angle, but by being a full metal body, it's no featherweight. It weighs 2.7 kilograms and is over an inch thick. It isn't a super understated design either, but it isn't as flashy as an Alienware or MSI laptop would be. The keyboard is one of my favorite parts of this laptop. They're mechanical switches and feel awesome to type on. Obviously it doesn't feel as good as a proper mechanical keyboard, but it does give you that feel of a mechanical keyboard but with not so much key travel. It is backlit by nice bright RGBs and they're good quality. The silky smooth trackpad is excellent too. I still think Dell's XPS, Lenovo's X1 Yoga or Carbon, and Razer's laptops can top it in this regard. The display is really good on this laptop. It's a 17.3-inch IPS panel with a 300Hz refresh rate and a 1080p resolution. So not only does it have good image quality and excellent refresh rate, it's also got a decent range of colors. It covers 98.8% of the sRGB color gamut. So bright, vibrant games such as Minecraft look really good. The CPU in this machine is the 11th generation Intel i7, there's 32GB of RAM and an RTX 3080 to go along with that. And this combination of components means you will drain your battery pretty quickly. But the performance is excellent. I played a few games and there was no stuttering or frame drops. The battery has a 99 Wh capacity and how long it lasts will depend on how you use it. It should be able to last up to 7 hours with regular use, which I highly doubt because my MacBook 13 here has a 10th generation Intel i5, Nvidia MX 250, and 8GB of DDR3 RAM, so it's not even DDR4 like the 17G. And this lasts 7 hours in a single day. When it comes to connectivity, you've got your DC port for power, a single Thunderbolt 3, so if needed you can use that to charge it up, an HDMI 2.1 port, a headphone and microphone port, an SD card reader, and an RJ45. It would have been nice to see Thunderbolt 4 though, just to make it a bit more future-proof and get some faster data transfer speeds. Now here comes the part you've been waiting for. Is it worth it? You've got a good display, excellent keyboard and trackpad, supreme build quality, a smooth experience while gaming and for general use, but some lackluster speakers if I'm honest. So this is a great laptop in my opinion. But you do have the Razer laptops and this new Zephyrus G14 that was recently announced on the market. And they have similar prices and specs, plus the added benefit of portability, and a very subtle design that doesn't scream, "I'm a gamer." The recently announced Zephyrus G14 is an all AMD based laptop, which also has a thin and light form factor just like the Razer compared to this laptop, and can really pack a punch. Sure, the Razer costs more, but if portability is important to you, that's what you pay extra for. To put it simply, if you don't mind having a thick, heavy slab of metal in your bag, then this is an excellent choice. But if you want something thin, light and portable, then I would have a look at the Razer laptops or the Zephyrus G14. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing and follow my social medias, also linked in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.